What's up, YouTube? Chapo back with another video. I'm sitting down because my body's weak. I'm a weak body now. But today I got two guns for you guys. Nice little unboxing real quick. Move, weirdo. I'm gonna show y'all my SIG first. This is the smaller pew pew. I'm really not gonna show y'all what comes in it. I'm just gonna show y'all the weapon itself. Comes with a 15 round mag. It's already loaded. Can't load it out. When I first bought it, you understand? Here it is. Clear. But it's my SIG X compact. Got this when I went and got my FNX 45. That's the next gun. I was like, dang, I need a concealed weapon because all my guns are pretty much big. But yeah, this is my concealed weapon. Come with two 15 round mags. Light case too. Now here comes the big boy. My dog looking at me like, why are you talking to him so? Fucking weirdo. This one comes in the FNX. Comes with way more stuff than my other FN. I'm just gonna show y'all the gun, not everything that comes in it. It is ambi, that's why I love FNs too. Love the grip. Big bullets. Clear as day, baby. Yep, this is my baby right here. Love that too. This is double action too, and this thing heavy. I don't like that. But push it down, decock it. When I'm back in Georgia, y'all gonna get some videos of me shooting in some more other guns. But yeah, that's it, guys. If you like the video, like, subscribe. I ain't feeling too good, so I'm just posting what I just got for 2022. See y'all later.